I was hearing rumors around, yabo abantu bangitshela. Uhlala kanjani nalomuntu lona so. I'm like, no, never. Lo muntu lo mina akangithinti nokungithinta. Time went on, things escalated yena. Bengisengishawa every day manje. Angene ekamereni uphethe ibhodlela le-Black Label, aqale ngokungishala ngayo ebusweni, yabo. Ngizwe ngathi kunomuntu ongithela ngamanzi ekhanda. Mangibamba ikhanda ngithi igazi. Shithi ugaye qala ukungigwaza from ekhanda, yabo. Mangizojiya ngiyathi ngishaya intamo la njengoba ngishaya la. Yabona lesi, le muntu lo usasebenzi lo. Wangigwaza 16 holes, 32 stitches. Wangigwaza lana, ngathi ngizobamba ngapha waphuma ithambo la. From there, I was just carrying myself like this. Upon every pain nginayo, like umzimba sokhipha amafutha, angilali, waqeda ngilala ama-pain. And manje I'm feeling ukuthi angifuni ukukhala because uzobona ngathi ngizobuhlungu, like angifuni ukuhava naye or
Yes, on 3, 2, and action.
Sanibonani Dumelang absheni molweni igama phindile phele lihle iSoweto podcast le Beyond Survival. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nizongamukela nizongithanda la ekhayeni lethu. Nawe futhi mawufuna ukuba i-guest, you can come through. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and obviously hit the notification bell. Ngiphethe gorgeous girl uzosazisa asitshela isitori sakhe. Sawubona gorgeous girl unjani?
ngiyaphila sesiphindile njani?
Phila nami siyakwamukela la ekhaya.
Ngiyabonga.
Themba ukuthi sophathana kahle kube mnandi. Please tell us more about yourself. Ubani, wakuphi, khule kanjani? And nje nesikolo mhlambe khona into yenzayo. Yabo?
All right. I grew up in Foslorasi in a very warm house, warm family members, brother and sister involved, mother, no father. My father passed away while he was very young, so my mother took care of us. And apparently unfortunately my mother passed away last year, October.
Oh, sorry.
So I'm left with my older sister, who I call my mother right now. I grew up in the streets of Joburg. I grew up because I was suffering and stuff like that. No, because of Mtandi Mali, and I like to be dependent on myself. Ever since in Kula, I don't remember asking my mom for this and that and that. I want this, I want that. So I ended up in the streets of Joburg. In the streets of Joburg, I was staying there, and I was working as a stripper in a club. So I don't know if I should mention the club name or whatever, but it's a strip club, obviously. It's Maxim Hotel. I was a stripper at Maxim Hotel. Yeah, that's how my journey began, no baby daddy.
Okay, that's where you met him.
Yeah.
And when did you meet him? Did he ask you out?
Yeah, like he was at the club, right? He was at the club. So obviously I came off stage, yabo. I saw this guy, Wangiza, wow, you're a nice dancer, yabo, okay, sakara sakuluma. And then things took its turn, yabo. Gwaqala yena sisa-communicator via iphone, sokumuntu zayazongichecka, uyangifonela nami ngiza kuye, sokumnandi, yabo vele, soku-hot, relationship vele is going, ngiyagoisha, ntana ikumnandi, yabo. Okay, not knowing ukuthi that guy was a dealer the time I met him, yabo. And then vele izinto zabamnandi nje. It was 2009 when I met the guy. 2010 ngiyapreka, yabo. Mangpreka, ngizomthola umntwana again November. That's when everything started changing. I was hearing rumors around, yabo abantu bangitshela. Uhlala kanjani nalomuntu lona so. I'm like, no, never. Lo muntu lo mina akangithinti nokungithinta, yabo. Nofuthi kwakhe ngimazi. So what do you mean with lo muntu lona so yabo? I'd never listened to anybody. Even ngibo endlini, like bangibiza bangihlalise phansi, right, udlele kahle izolo, like ninga-understand mina ukuthi why wonke umuntu asekhasini yami ukuthi ngilele ngivukile ngidlile, why? You understand? Time went on, things escalated yena. Bengisengishawa every day manje, yabo. Mengishayola emakuleni, mangibuya bangibuza ukuthi umokhuluma nekula. I mean, ngakhuluma nekula, obviously siphindile ngekuleni because of ngiyothenga. You understand? Mawufika my friend ufika wathi, "Oh my friend, I want this and that." Unamanga umsmalelile my friend angithi sengine blue eye. Things escalated to the next level, yabo. Mrs. Masiphumile sihamba sodawa siphuze, umuntu ophatha imali. You understand ukuthi ngiyenza imali every day lo muntu lo. Mrs. Masiphuzile, masiphumile sophuza sethaveni senzani. Masibuya ngiyazi vele ukuthi must ngilale ngishayiwe. You understand? To a point ukuthi ngigcine ngithatha umntwana ngimisa kuphi? Ekhaya.
So umntana bekanangaki ngaleso sikhathi i-abuse iqale when you guys were still dating or after pregnancy?
After pregnancy. Yeah, because it takes about a year before ngitshintshela nje. Because it got to change after pregnancy. Thatha umntwana ngamisa ekhaya. Yabo okay sharp sesiyahlala yena so right sengishawa ngi-1 manje umntana akasekho. You understand? And vele ngingafuni ukufaka umntana kule environment ama-drugs nani nobaba yakhe amaphoyisa kuhlala kuyisiphithiphithi. You understand? So okay sibe ne-decision ukuthi yazi ngcono sekele kuma-tavern. You understand? I stayed in a relationship in abuse for about 7 years if not mistaken before ngizofa ngivuke futhi. Mangithi ngife ngivuke futhi I mean I died meaning singine death time of death like le bells yakhona la eSandton Sam eFar East Mr Davidson mangizokwaziwa ne. Okay actually Sosewethu eDavidson nginganengindlu futhi athengisela kuye ama rentile eDavidson naseSoweto. So eDavidson ngihlala umamakhe mina sine room nakhona lapho kamamakhe. So okay what happened that day is ngithi kuye ngcono sekele ema-tavern ke ngcono masifuna ukuphuza sibiza abangani bakho ngibiza abangani bami siphuzele kuphi eJardini. Then guy was like okay fine leyo naye ngaba i-idea yabo not knowing ukuthi mina ngizigubhelela mithuna that day. You understand? Okay then njengoba Davidson kanjalo uguy siphuze kena abiza abangani bakhe sisahleni nabangani bakhe. There's this one guy okay ngizombiza ngigama. This guy lona like uthanda ukuthi like makakhuluma uvela yenza ama-jokes nje umuntu othi makakhuluma nje umuntu ahlala hleka. So I was laughing ngikase umuva kwami like abra inyama. So mangijiya ngibona umuntu like kwatile yabo. Mina asked myself yini alright mangimbuza ukuthi right athi mina ngikhohlwe ukuthi konje lezi ngelokugcina unalo. Singelokugcina. Okay. Ngiyahleka mos baby angisi-obvious yenze joke lo muntu. Ngicela ukukhuluma nawe. I'm like okay. Masifika endlini siyakhuluma the way uyisifebe ngakhona awusakwazi nokuzibamba. Yabo. So wazi ukufensa abangani bami phambi kwami. I'm like ubani ngimfensile. Okay fine just to avoid the drama ngcono ngivele ngilale. Yabo. Mangithi ngiyolala. After 10 minutes ngizwa umuntu vele endlini hey phumani la wami. Ngizibuza ukuthi I wonder siba menzeni because ngiyamazi vele yahlaya. Kanti not knowing ukuthi lo phumani lo ubizela mina ukufa. You understand? Angene ekamereni uphethe ibhodlela le-Black Label eligcwele i-black. Aqale ngokungishaya ngayo ebusweni. Yabo. I never noticed mina bengingakazi vele ukuthi i-black mabakushaya ngayo ebusweni ishiya amadlazi amancane. So ngisakhipha la madlazi ngisafuna uku-understand ukuthi ngiyenzeni. And remember guys ngisana endlini zakhe kunama-pitbull awavelele emakamereni. In case if like kuzongena amaphoyisa kumele le pitbull igijime endlini ivimba amaphoyisa sangangeni till yena kuba like akwazi uku-escape aphume nge-backroom. Yabo.
So ama-pitbull lawa engakhi?
I-1 but it's huge.
And then endlini you mean like eJardini?
Indlu like urenta indlu khaya.
Ivalekile so.
Ne inomnyango emuva naphambili. Amaphoyisa mazongena phambili.
Okay.
So yena makachacha lenja makavulela lenja le from eromini wenzela ukuthi yena wazi kenzani ukuphuma from the back door. You understand? He's buying himself time ngalezi nja lezi. Alright, cool. Ngithi mina kuye yazini angeke ngisakwazi ukuyimela mina lento le. Sengiyahamba. Yabo. Athi akuna stress pakisha uhambe. Mangisapakisha like uyongitshela ukuthi hayi ukhohla amabhoda ngipheki mina. Hayi ukhohla icarpet angaze ngithenge mina. Hayi ukhohla ini yabo king pakisha. Athi yazi ukuthi yonke into epakishile la izophuma mabona ngeke uphume. Ngisanyeke ngiphume. Angithi mina I never thought ukuthi angaya kuleyo level leyo ukuthi angaze ngikwazi. Yabo. Ngijwayele vele kuyi only hands vele. Yabo. Ngithi mina hayi ngeke ngiphume kanjani. Athi kunokuthi ngazi ukuthi uyajola. Ngamane ngazi ukuthi ufile. Ngithi hayi sizobona ke. Nami phela ngapha ngidake obvious ngiqhubeka yami inkani. Ngiyabona ukuthi ngishawe ngebhodlela maka ngistop ngiqhubeka yami inkani. Angithi mangizofika ngasemnyango like ibhatla sekhiyekile ne kumele ngiphume. Ngize ngathi kunomuntu ongithela ngamanzi ekhanda. Mangibamba ikhanda ngithi igazi. Shithi ugayiqala ukungigwaza from ekhanda. Yabo, mangizojika mina ngathi ngishaya intamo la njengoba ngishaya la. Yabona lesi, lo muno la usasebenzi lo.
So that's the first time azokwazi.
Yeah.
Decided
One
to
quarter
shy.
13, one quarter 16 holes, 32 stitches. Ne, all in all. Wangikwaza lana ngathi ngizobamba ngapha kwaphuma ithambo la. Ne? Ngathi mangifike bese kwangikwazi ngigwaza la. From there, I was just carrying myself like this. Yabo? Njengoba ngigwaza la, then ngigwaza the whole body ke. Yabo. The scars, ufuna ngibonisa ama scars.
So,
These are all step wounds.
Yo, guys, I don't know if you can see this, but nje, I guess so. Attach a picture, yeah. If you don't mind,
I don't mind.
I
I don't mind because I feel like I need to save abanye abantu abago through what I'm going. Yabo? And then he stabbed me from head down to my feet. You understand? All in all, it was 16 holes from the head down to my feet. And shuthi ungikwazi ngaze ngaphasa out. Yabo? Ngathi sengiphase out because ngikhumbula kahle ngesimnyango ne when everything happened and I was trying like to scream but nobody came for my rescue. Yabo? And then what happened? Wangidonsa ngiyahlele sofeni mangiphaphama mina. Shuthi ngidonsile wazongibeka lapha ngeenyawo zakhe. And the minute ngivula amehlo wami ngamthola ngibhekile wangibuza wathi usafuna ukuhamba na. And obviously you being normal ubone ukuthi uzofa, would you say yes? Yeah, I decided to say no. And I was like, no, angisahambi. Wathi njengomfazi wami ke wena uzogibela umbhede ungiphakele. Wena like uzolala nami because umfazi wami ungibonisa ukuthi awufuna ukuhamba. Upon every pain nginayo like umzimba sokhipha amafutha. I was bigger than that. You understand? Than when I am right now. Like nginomzimba nyana. Amafutha aphumile ngaphandle. Angilali, ngaqeda ukungilala amapain. And manje I'm feeling ukuthi angifuni ukukhala because uzobona ngathi ngizobuhlungu like angifuni ukuhava naye or uzongishaya more or uzongistringina ngizofela la kulombhede. I have to cooperate nalento ayenzayo right now. Kumele nami ngikhohlwa amapain, ngikhohlwa ubuhlungu. Nibe kule moment nayifunayo. You understand? So avoid yonke lento ezenzakala kimi manje. Ngilale naye, pretend ukuthi umnandi and stuff like that. Makata lapha ngiphe ama pain block, kana ama pain block at green so. Angiphe wona athi ngwaphuze plus utshwala angidawu ngilale. Yabo? Around 4 a.m. in the morning, I felt like kunomuntu ohleli phezu kwami. Like ngiphelelwa umoya, lo muntu engathi ngishaya nginqindi phezu kwenhloko, ngimvuse ngithi baby kunomuntu ohleli phezu kwami. Lo muntu ngathi usidudla, engathi ngishaya nginqindi phezu kwenhloko and ngapha ngiboni. And I can't even touch myself because lesandla lesi ne sivuleke kayi2. Bese sihamba la, le phezulu. I can literally see ama vein phakathi. You understand? Like so kuwomile but ngiyezwa like yapaina le thambo lilikobile lo muntu lo uhamba wi1 like this part I1 la ngithambo liphumele ngaphandle. Angithi kuye angisaboni because mangithi like ngizamthatha ubuso bami but lemuno lo ezandla lesana is like it's feeling. It's very numb. Yabo like angisafeeling niks ngazo. Athi kimi awuboni because igazi ligcwele amehlo liwomile. You understand? Not ukuthi awuboni because awusaboni. Ngithi mina okay, ngicela ungenzele ifavor ke. Yabo? Ngicela ungikhiphele ngaphandle. At least ungibeke estradini ngiyazwa angisakhoni. Yabo? Athi kimi kumele ngikhiphele estradini ngithi because angifuni ukufela la. Athi wayekhuluma kabuhlungu kanje manje uyafa. Ngithi mina ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngiyafa. Ngiyacela just ukuthi ifamily yami ngithole ngicela ukuthi ungibeke noma ngaba segatini ke. Angifuni ukufela la eroomini because angeke uzongikhiphe wena. Athi awufi man. Yabona ayikho ipain engayizwa njenge yabona ukugwaza zangiyizwa ipain I don't wanna lie. Yabona isama ngigwaza azangizwe ngimsi. Ipain engingayizwa makazovula ingubo lezi misilele ngazo. Remember le ingubo lezi sinama 10 emanqebeni wonke. And makazoyidonsa le ingubo ne. I don't like. You understand? We don't room. You understand? So wonke lamafutha aqalani wenzani? So waphumela ngaphandle wonke again. Kwaba ngathi khane ngicela ukugwaza manje. athi kimi no umele u7 o'clock abakavula eclinic. Ngithi no usanele ngisakwazi mina ngicela ungibeke noma kusestradini. I mean like you have a car ngisesibhedlela ngeke. Athi go ufe manje relax. Umele u7 angipha amanye ama-pain block but this time ama-pain block awasasebenzi. Awasasebenzi ngibathengisa ama-pain block let's mix. Ashaye lo 7. Ngi7 sekashayile ngicela ukuthi ungihambise ke ngisesibhedlela ngiyenzele something ngiyafa. Masifika eDavidson Clinic bangibheke bangigundile inwele eqala ne because ngibona igazi like miligolile inwele ngesizinamathele yabo. Uqale bangigundile inwele uyongikhapha futhi ungikhapha nomngane wakhe. Athi umngane wakhe ngicela ungene naye ubheke ukuthi uyobapha siphi statement labantu labo. Masingena abazange babuze nestatement ke because baqale bathatha blood pressure and then ngaqala ngeza bonesi bathi P1 angazi nokuthi P1 isho ukuthini. Now I'm confused. Now I'm thinking in my head ukuthi ngisingiselana ukuthi ngithana ama stitch ngihambe P1 yani yabo. Then sengithi ambulance mangisi ambulance ufana ambulance ukhuluma nami ngicela ungavala amehlo ngicela ube nami mamela ngifuna ukutshela istory umuntu okugwazile unomona muwenzani yabo. Ngiza ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngicela ngiphi iglass lamanzi. Athi no amanzi awekho la ambulance ngithi nawo amanzi ngiyabona. Ngicela ungiphe nje iglass lamanzi. Athi guy no lamanzi abangcolile ungabaphuzi ungavela amehlo mamela stay nami like ibana hani mamela ngicocela istory ngithi ngifuna istory ngicela ungiphe nje amanzi not knowing ukuthi lo guy ngingathi ngisave yena because sengizwa manje bathi umuntu makazofuqa lamanzi. Sifike eFar East angazi nokuthi ngifike kanjani ngifuna ukuhamba mama. Shoot I passed out again ambulance because I lost a lot of blood by yesterday yabo because ngingidaya igazi laphuma kakhulu. Mangifike eFar East I don't know what happened basically but ngavuka ibhande lami likhona phambi ngombhede kunekhabins. I was in ICU from ngi7 za November ngiphume ICU ngi13 za February 2022 kwaze 2021. Ngihleli 3 months ICU. Ngathi ngiphuma ngamthola hleli phambi kwami yabo. The first thing I noticed mangivula amehlo ngokuyigubhu ne like ngisigubhu ngikhamula isigubhu samagagalana angikhona ukukhuluma kunepipe emlomeni le pipe leni ngathi drip yabo. Le drip le understand ukuthi inani nomahewu or inomdoko or ang understand nje ukuthi kwenzakalani ngithola yena hleli phambi kwami. Hawu baby uvukile yahamba vele ubiza umuntu ambizayo bayeza vele bangikhipha le pipe uthi ufuna ukuzwa speech yabo uyawazi ukukhuluma but ngiyapena entameni ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma phuza amanzi yes bona ukuthi yawazi ukugwinya yakugwinya uyangibuza khumula ukuthi yenzakaleni ngithi ngiyakhumbula kwenzakaleni ungigwazile izolo ngingasizolo ngokwini hawu baby ngigwazela 10 November isikanti manje yini athi sesikuFebruary ngithi hayi lo yahlanya ingqondweni yami siyangigulela lo qeda ukulala la izolo mina ngifuna nje khenze ngiphaphama ngibona ngezinto ezenzakala izolo. Okay ugaya qala xolise ke ngiyacela ngicela ungixolela ngeke ngiphinde la ngiyakuthanda ngingafuni uhambe yabo. Okay nami vele ngithatheke futhi. Okay siphume vele singene ku normal ward bangifaka ku normal ward ngene. Sangena ku normal ward eFar East bathi bamile udoctor ozohlanganisa nomsipha lo because desamangigwaza wanqabuka lo msipha lo osebenzisa itamu yabo. Then esibhedlela bathi umuntu onganatamu ufana nomuntu onganasandla because itamu like iyo sebenza kakhulu kundlula yonke leminye. So mina ngilinda udoctor ozohlanganisa le vein lena. Ngazi ngisase wardini wangena umuntu nempahla ezintsha. Ngicela uphume bheka ngithi mina ngizohamba ngiyophlete endlini. Okay sesitolileni. Ngivume phume naye. Sibuyela kuphi? Same house. Nangigwazile khona. Ngiyabuyela. Angazi ukuthi what happened but yena uthi mega feel ukuthi ngizofuna ukubona lezi zinto lezi nesigcwele igazi ukuthi zinjani so ngingamele mina ukuthi sishise soyithu yabo. I'm like okay makuphuma igazi mina lapha yana. I was like why ungimele ungashisanga athi because ngiyacabanga ukuthi nawe umfuna ukuthi ube khona amashiso angazi ngenza ngibonisa ukuthi cishe ufa or in maka lapho mina ngekho lapho because I loved him. I don't want to lie like ngimthanda yabo. And then last senior naye okay shabsisala sonke August 8 2022 August 8 wathreaten ukuthi ufuna ungishisela endlini ngoba mina ngifi yabo. How ufuna ngijisele endlini for ini? Why uTebo kumele ukusucceed ngayo yonke into? UTebo is the guy la mesiqashe khona ne. So yena mese sikunikeza iroom egarage sithathe yonke indlu. So because sami like asisebenzi ngicela ngithi ngicela ungichophele itamati ngicela ungichophele ianyanyisi ngicela because ngisasithena lesandla lesi besingakasebenzi at all. Yabo. Uma uqeda uTebo ukusakenzela into sho vele sofuna uTebo. Ngithi umntwana omncane kanje uTebo ngimthatha njenge young brother yami. Why mina ngifuna uTebo athi ngiyabuya ngifuna ukuthisela la endlini. Anime serious Tebo mina ngibona ngakhona. So I managed to escape. Ngaphuma from iroom lokugcina mina iwindow la khona linamabhatla. Ngaphuma lapho ngabaleka. Yabo. And then it came to E9, E10, no, wangifonela ngithi ngiyabuya. Nge-11 yena he woke up bamgwaze ngi-one hole. Family yakhe yablame abani? Mina.
So mabamgwaza, when was it?
It was August in 11.
So how many months besuphumile esibhedlela? Was it isikhathi siphume February?
Mina ngithi ngiphume IC February, March, April, May, June, July, August. I think it was 4 months.
5 months.
4, 5, yeah.
So
ngiyafuna ngithisele endlini. So ngabaleka. Not knowing ukuthi nge-11 uGuy bezokuzongenela endlini bamgwaza. Family yakhe yaqala yablame mina. Kwathiwa yimi engimbulele. Yeah.
Yeah. So like obviously ekuqaleni bongaza ngisho ukuthi this guy was abusive, but bewakhona ama red flags. Yabo ama red flags mhlambe that you ignored mhlambe.
Yeah. Nesihamba sisaqala ukujola ne. Mina nayo lento lena ukuthi mawukhuluma mina ngafuna ukuthi ngiphendule ne. But then because of thina amantombazana online angeke uyeke umuntu onemali okenzela yonke into all because of utheftek kuwe. You understand? You think ukuthi hayi manje wenza mistake angithe sorry. You understand? Then ngapreka. Understand? Impama yokuqala yobusithu ama blue eye itempe zo all star ebusweni. Yabo? I thought ukuthi sizogcina lapho until the day safuna ngibulala ke manje yamshiya.
So this guy would say he was a dealer.
Yeah.
So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi beka wasebenzisa ama ekutheni he was using naye ngokwakhe.
Ngiyaphenye insango. Ne ibhiya ngiyiphuza ngaleso sikhathi.
Ama what type of was he selling?
He was selling rock, he was selling crystal. Yeah, ninsango ngiyithengisa. And mina ngatarget labantu laba like abafana basestradini. He used to sell to big guys like abasebenzayo, ama manager, understand? Ngahlala abavalele endlini. Abavalele like umuntu azasabe nokuphuma thume yena ebank. Ngithi ayomkhiphela imali.
Umuntu being i-customer like.
Yeah, i-customer like. Like mebabhema basaba ukuphuma ngomnyanga. Bagcine bathuma yini ukuthi sicela uhambe usikhiphela imali engaka ngisafuna ukubhema. Hamba uye kubanibani hamba kusiphi ulanda imali yami ngimfonele uphethe imali yami. Hamba kubanibani umuntu ahlala lapha yele boma 3 days 4 days ababala boma 25,000.
Alibele nje ayispend nje emathini. So ngifuna ukwazi okay I'm sorry name ngifuna ukukhamba nawe kahle sizwe kahle probably nama viewers ekhaya afuna ukuzwa yonke into. Le ayithengisayo because mina ngazi kuthiwa ama ayahluka. Maybe if usebenzisa certain type of awuphuza utshwala so bebaphuza utshwala like ama users
because of like
custom.
Yeah, because like nama big guys like uthola ukuthi owner yakuphi understand ama Indians yama umuntu afika nje ahlale ngebhodlela lakhe aze nentombazane yakhe from somewhere abanikeza room. That's why like mega renta izindlu esiphelele like ufuna indlu yonke for ukuthi ama customer yakhe malifuna nomuntu walo as long as like bona bathenga ba right ekamrini. You understand? It was a very private space. Mega renta izindlu is very private for my customer wakhe.
So who killed him?
Nobody knows.
Where?
La mina thingisela khona eDavidson.
ETafting.
Endlini.
Bamthola injured.
wamgwaza nje kayi-1 endlini kwaba ne-internal bleeding lo muntu wamdonsa wazombika estradini. Washiya umnyango uvulekile, everything was just open but nothing was taken.
My sister, I'm so sorry.
Nothing, I'm over it right now. I just wish ukuthi umuntu obona something yenzakala relationship ungayisayineli ngisho nempama leyo. Even if it's take it as nje shiya phansi, it's gonna escalate to what I've seen and just akusimnandi ukucabanga ukuthi kungishiya umntwana wami yena kube uyaphila. You understand?
So earlier futhi you mentioned ukuthi ifamily yakhe beyiblame wena mara beyazi bebazi
bamazi ukuphila kanjani, like mikabulala, like mikashaya, bebambiza ngomasaha, like vele mikathanda umese kakhulu. It even got to a stage ukuthi ukhe wagwaza umamakhe. You understand? But umamakhe yena wablame mina makufa yena. Mama wabuza wathi, what do you mean blame lo? Because of form ukhe walala esibhedlela makumele kufa umntwana ngabani kahle kahle. You understand? Umamakhe naye ukhe wagwazwa. Wangena mina ngefestera sengisi ngicela ubulale mina kunokuthi ubulale umamakho. Umamakhe. Mama ngami wagwazwa like Gabi.
Yo, my sister, like I said, I'm sorry.
It's okay, I'm over it, mine.
So, advise ongayinikeza abosisi because we tend to just brush izinto off mhlambe nefamily yabo mayithi from the first time ibona ukuthi lo muntu ukushayile bethi mlahle but ngoba inhliziyo yayiphakela
yayibona like yathanda. Mina I would say like anye ngize ngisiyeke na into ethandayo yabo, but value life more than money. Your life comes first more than money. Ayikho i-amount yemali engathenga impilo yakho. You understand? And alukho uthando olubuhlungu empilweni. Uthando mina libe mnandi, libe nama-arguments, hayi libe namikazi phakathi. Uthando mina ngilibonile, I felt ukuthi it was love because of izinto bengangenzela zona. Ngangishaya sa-16 sambe semall, angitshela ukuthi ngifuna ini and I'll choose it and I'll get it, yabo. But I know ukuthi after 2 days futhi ngizoshawa and bebangincenga kanjalo, bengangithengela noma yini engiyifunayo. But cishe ngilose impilo yami. I was given a second chance in life, yabo. Maybe to tell you guys ukuthi ni-stop nje yonke leyo nto leyo yokuthi ulandelele indoda yemali. Because ekugcineni impilo yakho imali izobe sengekho ngilele ethuneni abantwana abasele.
Ngiyabonga. Thank you so much. Kuhle ukubona ukuthi uyakwazi uku-overcome istorm. And I'm proud of you. I'm sure your son, your daughter is proud of you.
Yeah.
So now ube right. Did you try seeking counseling?
I cancelled myself by telling everyone my story everywhere with.
Yeah,
yeah,
no, Zoe, Luzoba, right. Thank you so much, my sister.
I'll share pictures with you to show with this story it's real. I'll share pictures.
But loved it.
Right.
Thank you so much, guys. We're wrapping it up. Siyabonga kakhulu for ithando ne-support yenu. Hope sophathana kahle ekhaya. Please leave a positive comment for siswethu. Yazini, yo sila ekhaya sizonceda nina. Until next time.